The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is finally here, and it's making waves in the drone market. This latest edition promises to take aerial photography and videography to new heights. If you're a drone enthusiast like me, you're probably excited to see what this new model has to offer. As drone enthusiasts, we've all faced certain challenges that can be frustrating. One of the biggest complaints is battery life. It always seems to run out too quickly. Camera quality is another area where we've often been left wanting more. And then there's the issue of ease of use. Some drones can be a real pain to navigate, especially for beginners. Let's not forget about the durability and build quality, which can make or break a drone. The Mavic 4 Pro seems to address many of these issues. For starters, it boasts an advanced camera system that's capable of capturing stunning 4K footage at incredible frame rates. The camera also features a wider angle lens, allowing you to capture more of the scene in front of you. Flight time is another area where the Mavic 4 Pro shines, with DJI claiming it can stay airborne for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. But that's not all. The Mavic 4 Pro also comes with some innovative technology that's designed to make flying safer and more enjoyable. It features an advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses a combination of sensors and cameras to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. This means you can focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about crashing into something. So, what really sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart from its predecessors? For me, it's the exceptional video recording quality. The drone is capable of capturing 4K footage at 60 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing smooth, high-quality video. And with its advanced stabilization system, you can expect incredibly stable footage, even when flying at high speeds. The Mavic 4 Pro also features improved intelligent flight modes, making it easier to capture the perfect shot. It includes a range of modes, from active track to point of interest, allowing you to get creative with your aerial footage. Plus, with its enhanced Follow Me mode, you can capture stunning footage while flying at high speeds. In a nutshell, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a game-changer for drone enthusiasts. It addresses many of the challenges we've faced with previous models, offering improved battery life, camera quality, and ease of use. If you're in the market for a new drone, I definitely recommend checking out the Mavic 4 Pro. So, what do you think about the Mavic 4 Pro? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking to take your drone flying experience to the next level, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 drone accessories you need to get.